How's it going? You okay, mate? Mark. Okay.
And then I just have like a regular black t-shirt. Get it out. A regular black t-shirt, you know.
Oh, nice.
And
Nice and simple.
Outside of that, or compliment.
Oh, nice. Okay, sweet.
Yeah.
Let's get a black tea. Yeah, let's go for the black tea. What was your name again? Sorry.
Deji.
Deji.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, let's get the black tea on Deji. Okay, yeah, we're going to give it a go like this, perfect. Okay, yeah, you can be looking around. Nice, and into camera for a few shots. Okay, cool. And then, because the sun is quite strong, let's just go over here. And I literally just chill against here, mate. Yeah, nice and relaxed. The t-shirt. Yeah, put the strings away if you can. Tuck them in. Okay, one sec. Yeah, nice. Perfect. And then feel free to look around, like each side as well. That's it, mate. And let's get arms crossed for a couple. Yeah. Just mix it up, mate, that's perfect. Okay. Yeah, these are nice. Perfect, mate. Okay. And then looking to me again, that's it. Okay, you alright? Blink it out, mate. Yeah, I know. It's been really windy today.
It's a weird wind too. It's like not really there, but they're at the same time.
Okay, that's cool. Perfect. Okay, let's do some portraits. You alright? Nice. Yeah, these are cool. Perfect. And then let's get you back, stay where you are. You can just drop your hands. You can almost be like looking towards your feet kind of thing. That's it. And then looking back to me now. That's it. Yeah, nice. Let's get your arms crossed again. Nice. No, that's cool, man. That's perfect. Well, yeah, unfortunately in London, man. Yesterday was dreadful. Okay, that's cool. Let's just get a couple more of this. Right.